Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Neeraj Nifty Wala, and today I'm making this video as of 24th of November, and we have seen a close on 22nd of November, which was 23875. So I am just going to recap on a few points which I had mentioned last time in my video. Last time I had clearly mentioned on 14th of November that to me it looks like a deep correction pattern. This entire pattern is a deep correction pattern. However, there are going to be bounce uh, points from where Nifty can bounce. So I had mentioned that this blue line which I had drawn in my last video, you can check, I had already drawn this last time. That is a point from where Nifty should take a bounce ideally. So yes, it did fell till here on 21st November. 22nd November it did not fall further, opened with a gap up, and it went upwards. And this green line which I had drawn, I had already predicted that yes, it will go in this way. It should try and touch this red band and again fall further. So I had explained the concept that this is not a buy on dip, but this is a sell on rise market, and the pattern to me would look complete when it falls till here. The level over here is 21825, which I have written down over here. 21825 is a possibility where it can take a turn. These are the points which I had explained. I clearly written in red that if a deep crash correction happens, then 21850 can come. 21850, 21825 or 21800. 21800, 21800 is the level which I am saying, which is 1600 point correction from here. Here means this level of 14 November close. From there it's a 1600 point. From the close of 22nd November it's a 2000 point correction. If it goes from here till 24 400 and then corrects, so you can make your calculations on your own. Now which side to go long, which side to go short, it's your own personal discretion. Do not go and buy and sell basis what I have said over here. Take your own personal educated calculated decision and do, because this video is for educational purposes only. However, if you are learning something from my videos and making something like a monetary benefit, then request you to please scan this QR code and give me also something like a monetary reward, because when you do that it helps me stay motivated and keep making videos like this. However, if you think that no, you don't want to pay me anything, do not want to scan this QR code, then please at least hit the like button on this video, because it helps me stay motivated to continue making YouTube videos like this. So let's go further and let's again finally make a kind of a final line as to tell where this pattern looks complete. To me, this pattern looks complete when it will fall till here. This is the line I am drawing and telling you that all this will look real only when it happens. Right now I can look like okay, I'm just guessing, or it may look like okay, I'm just predicting. Well, I'm saying I can be right, I can be wrong, but only time will tell as to whether this pattern really happens or no. Currently it looks like the pattern which is being formed over here is this one, this up and down pattern, which is a zigzag correction. Technically it should come and stop over here. This level is 21,800 level. That is a level which we saw on the day when Nifty recovered on 5th of June after the election results, and there was a one-way rally which we saw that happened for June to September. Now what we are seeing now is a one-way correction which has started from September all the way. We will see till December that this correction is going to be a correction like this, and this entire pattern will get completed. And then maybe there could be a bounce where you will see new investors, fresh investment coming. Currently it is all a euphoria after the news that came out that okay, FIIs are putting their money back in India. Remember, I don't follow any news channels. I just make my own calculations basis looking at the Nifty levels or Bank Nifty levels. I make my own calculated decisions and I draw lines. I follow this lines and charts methods, lines on charts methods, and that has always worked for me. I had explained in my last video also as to what is my logic. Why do I think that after this correction, this green line has held as a support multiple times, and this time also to me it looked like till here it should take a support. If this cracks, it will fall till here. That was the entire logic I had explained, and it did it did crash from here. it did take a turn from here. So these 2 points which I had mentioned have actually worked out exactly like I had mentioned, and now I am looking at this thing to look like a rally. So it should take a turn from 24,440 level and again fall and come over here. So these next two predictions which I have made, only time will tell whether these next two predictions are also holding true or not. And when it comes over here, that will be the right time to invest. So if you are sitting on cash, stay on cash and hold on till it comes till this level of 21,800. Remember, I had said this is not a buy on dips, but this is a sell on rise kind of a market. I hope you are able to understand all these points. Please hit the like button, please hit the share, subscribe, and if you wish that you want to help me in some way by making a monetary contribution, please scan this QR code, and you can do a phone pay, paytm, gpay, whatever you think like is right for me and you should pay me. Please do that, this helps me very much. And thank you so much for all the people who contributed to me last time. I will continue making good videos, good content like this for all of you every time. And till then, thank you so much. This is Neeraj Nifty Wala. Bye bye.